Hello children, today let us learn the comprehension of the poem What is a Player from Unit 2 Part B. Firstly, let's have a quick look at the points to remember in order to make an effective comprehension. Write the answer in the tense in which the question is asked. Do not write the sentence as it is from the passage as answer. Write the answer as briefly as possible. Never start any answer with because. Draw a line after each answer and follow the numbering given in the question paper. Now on to the poem. Read the poem twice or thrice before attempting the comprehension. So in this poem we see the qualities which a player must have. That is, a player must never give up at the sight of defeat. He should never complain about the playing time. He should not chicken out. He should always practice game speed. And then he should never blame others. And a good player always works day in and day out to improve his own playing levels. And he has a strong and sensible mind. And a good player always wants to be in the game when everything counts. Now on to the objective type questions. Choose the correct answer. A true player is one who does not have a sensible mind, chickens out in the game, wants to be in the game, ponders about failing. Okay, firstly we will eliminate two incorrect ones. So the two incorrect ones are ponders about failing and chickens out in the game. Now we need to select between wants to be in the game, does not have a sensible mind. Yeah, here is the incorrect one is does not have a sensible mind. So the correct one is wants to be in the game. On to the second question. Choose a word from the passage similar to the word failure. So the word failure means is it sensible, strong, defeat, contemplating. Yes, the right answer is defeat. The players are the ones who admit they are fine but run with painful ankles, hurt legs, dear knees, painful toes. Here let's eliminate the two incorrect ones. They are dear knees and painful toes. Now we need to choose between painful ankles and hurt legs. So in the poem we are given hurt ankles. So it is given the ankle is hurt. So as the ankle is hurt, it would have a painful ankle. So we can go with the option painful ankles. Now on to the question and answers. Fourth question. What should a player do to become a real player? A player should learn from his mistakes, practice game speed, never blame others, and always aim to be the winner. So you can also come with other answers according to your own interpretation with the poem. Have you ever complained during playtime? If so, explain the incident. So if you have complained, then go with the option, yes, I have complained during playtime in my childhood. And then you can narrate the incident when it happened. So generally it is natural that we all complain during playtime. So it is better to go for the option yes and narrate an incident wherein we had complained about the playtime, maybe the umpire or maybe our playmates or whatever. Hope you all understood how to make the comprehension. Thank you children. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.